Hello YouTube, welcome back to Case Technologies. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to read and write to a file from Python. So let's go ahead and start with your IDE that you like to use. I'm going to be using Visual Studio today. Let's go ahead and open a new file, create a new file. This first file will be called output.txt. And this is going to be the file that we'll be editing. And make sure you save it in the right folder. All right, and then we're going to create another new file. And we're going to call that output.py. All right, so we should have two empty files here. And make sure they're in the same folder. Mine are under the Python folder. And then we're just going to set an environment that we want to run this with. I'm going to set mine to Python 3. If you don't have Python 3, just put Python, or if you're not sure, just put Python. All right. So we're going to start with the with statement. And then we're going to say open, use the open function. And we want to put in here the output.txt, and we want to make sure that when we open it, it's writable. So we're going to use a W here. And then we're going to store it as OF. And that's what this means, as OF. That's where it's going to be stored as. And then we're going to say OF.write. And we can also use write lines, but we're going to say just write. Hello, my name is Case. Put your name there, and then we're going to print done when we're actually done, period. And let's go ahead and run this. Done. It ran. So let's go ahead and check the output.txt file, and there you go. Hello, my name is Case. So we can also do a variable substitution here for the name. Just keep that in mind. So if you're doing some type of document, some plain text document you like to send your output to, you can use variables with this statement. And say username equals Case. Save it, then we can run it again so that we know it worked. Let's just go ahead and clear that file out, that output.txt file, save it. And then we're gonna go ahead and run it again. We got it done like we were looking for. And it still says, hello, my name is Case, even though we use a variable here. All right, so we can also, since there's already something in it, we can do output file.read or of.read. And we can run a pretty print of the contents of that. We have to import it. Let's go ahead and import pretty print. Right there. Let's move this down some so we can see it all. So now we've imported pretty print. And we have a username variable. And we're going to still be doing with open. But we got rid of the W. It's not needed because we're just going to read it. Here we go. The contents was printed to the screen. Now let's say you wanted to write multiple lines with a counter. We could do that too. but we're going to get rid of this. A lot of this. We're going to still use OF equals W, and we're going to store this in a variable, OF in a variable, and we're going to do for number, or for, we can do for X in range 0 to 10. Of that right. Hello, my name is username. And there we go. We should get this line should be printed to the file 10 times. So let's go ahead and check it out. Oh, yeah, let's go ahead and check it out. Go hit clear. So we got our done statement still, so no errors or anything. And there it goes, it's all on one straight line, but I don't like that. So we're gonna go ahead and make one additional change. We're going to make sure we make this, after each statement is written, we're going to go to a new line. That's what the /n is for. So we're going to go ahead and clear this out and run it again. Yeah, we have our done. And move on over. And there we go. We have hello, my name is Case 10 times. Just print it out to the screen 10 times. And if we wanted to see what it looks like to just read from this file, we're going to do the same thing. We don't need that on there. Still keep the variable. Let's say OF.read. We just want to print the content, so we're going to do pretty print again. So everything's not jumbled up on one line. So, and then at the end of it, we'll get done. So this is going to be shelling out or printing to the screen. And oh, we don't need that last bit, but it's cool. We got hello, my name is Case. Print it right to the screen, and our last statement is done. Thank you for watching the video. Comment, like, and subscribe. And remember to hit that bell if you want to be notified.